It's me, Terri of the Yarn Joy Podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. Woo! It's been a busy day today, and I'm just running. So let's just get right into it, and I'll show you my. I have my Vlogmas box, which is number 15 right here. This is a Vlogmas swap I am doing with Valerie of Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet. And so let's open this package, and we will see what is in today's box. Ooh. Oh my goodness! Aw, she made me a Yoda. Look. Aw. Thank you so much, Valerie. I remember seeing videos when you were making these little guys, and that is so cute. Aw. Not Yoda, but you know, Yoda's, I don't know, one's offspring or something. I don't know, but in the same species, there you go, of Yoda. What's his name? Grogu or something? Anyway, whatever. He's so cute. Thank you so much, Valerie. Okay, so that was what was in package number 15, okay? And so the Christmas movie that I watched today is, that sounded funny, today, was Christmas at the Rosemont. I think that's what it was called. It's a free movie here on YouTube. I'll link it below in the description box so you can check it out. It was really cute. I just finished it just a little bit ago. It was a really cute movie. I really enjoyed it. It was good. And so what I worked on during that Christmas movie was one of the project kits. It was the last project kit, or not project, the last challenge kit that Valerie had sent me in these boxes. And so what she had sent me was a green ball of yarn, a pair of safety eyes, and a Santa button. And so I was thinking, well, what could I make? And then I had a few people comment some suggestions, and so that gave me some ideas. And so I looked up something that I thought I could do. I found a pattern for it, and so this is what I did, and I just got finished with it. So here is my project for the challenge kit. So I made an amigurumi Christmas wreath. This is a pattern by Olive at Stringy Ding Ding. It's a free pattern. I will link it below in the description box. Hopefully it's focusing. Okay, so I used the green yarn, I used the safety eyes, okay, and then I used the Santa button that she gave me. I just stitched it right there like it was hanging in the middle. Now, somebody had sent me a different tutorial. I think it was a tutorial. Yeah, a tutorial on a wreath that had a thing hanging in the middle. And so thank you so much for your suggestion, because that's where I got the idea. So I took that idea, but instead of using that tutorial, which I would love to make that sometime though, because it's really pretty. But I think it's made with thinner yarn. More delicate looking, and it's really cute. But I also had safety eyes in the challenge kit, and so I thought, well, maybe I can find a wreath amigurumi that's got a face on it, and so I could use the safety eyes, and so that's what I did. And then I just, like I said, hung the Santa button in the middle of it. And I put a hanging string on the back. So I used the green yarn that she gave me, not all of it, but that's what I used to make the wreath. I added my own red yarn, and then I put a few little colorful spots here and there, supposed to be, I guess, lights on the wreath. But anyway, so that's what I came up with for that challenge kit. And as always, the leftover green that I didn't use, I'm going to put it in a box. I'm collecting yarn to make more items for the Garfield make-along, is where these items will be donated this upcoming summer. Okay, so there you go. So what movie am I going to watch tomorrow? Well, today was a pretty busy day. I was home all day, but I had a lot of things I had to do. Tomorrow it will be a busy day too. I have a doctor's appointment just to check up, but I have to go do that, and I have a few errands to run, and so I'm going to be in and out. And so and plus I have my regular Yarn Joy podcast episode to make tomorrow also. And so I think what I'm going to watch as far as a Christmas movie is I'm going to watch probably something short, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, maybe the animated, you know, the claymation, whatever. It's not claymation, but you know that one, the classic Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I believe it's here on YouTube for free. If it is, I'll link it below. I also have it on DVD, so I think I'm going to be watching that. Something short. And if I have time, then I'll watch another one like Little Drummer Boy or Santa Claus is Coming to Town or something that's also short. And then, so what am I going to be working on? Well, I'm still working on those Scrappy Granny squares, and I haven't done any of the Scrappy rectangles yet. And so I may just sit there and do that and work on work with my scrap balls. I think. We'll see. Oh, and so the Feel Better Friend doll, I finished him. He's all packaged up and ready to go. That's one reason I have to go to the post office tomorrow, because I'm going to drop him off and he'll be headed to the little boy that he's going to. And I did package up the little Hulk that I made, and I put him in the box also for just a little extra. Contacted his mom, the little boy's mom, and told her that I will give her the tracking information as soon as I get that number. And so it'll be on its way. So the Feel Better Friend doll is packaged up, okay? And so I was excited to be finished with him. I think I'm gonna when I had to fill out like a completion form, and I think I'm gonna just say, don't give me another assignment until after Christmas. So I think I'm gonna do that. So, but I'm looking forward to see what the next doll I'm gonna be making, if it'll be a boy doll or a girl doll. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's what I did today also. Did laundry. And then what's for dinner? Well, I made a chicken with some stir-fried vegetable type concoction yesterday, and so there's some of that left over, so we will either make that, warm up that and eat that. It's just my husband and I. And either that or I'll make like tuna melts or something, but something quick, because I'm running out of time. It's later in the day and I need to get in there and make dinner. So thanks for coming by and seeing what I did for Vlogmas for today, and come by tomorrow. And and also today I just filmed my last Movie and Stitch video, so check that one out. It should be posted at pretty much the same time as this one is. Should be. If not, then it's coming out later this evening, but it should be kind of around the same time. And then tomorrow I will have a Vlogmas, plus I will have my regular Yarn Joy podcast episode. So check those out. Okay, I'm gonna go. Everybody have a wonderful evening. This is the middle of the week, so everybody have a wonderful rest of your week, and come back tomorrow and we'll have another visit. So thanks, guys. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye.